Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing the FabFitFun box that came out for spring. I always love getting this box and this packaging is amazing. I think it is so cute with the cactuses on it, and it's just, there's a new theme every single quarter. I think it comes out every quarter. Now, the other thing that I like about FabFitFun is each box is in support of some type of organization. So this quarter it is in support of the Ian Somerhalder Foundation. There's more information on it in the book, I'm pretty sure. Usually they talk about the foundations that they're supporting, but I love getting this box because sometimes you get to choose the items and then sometimes the items are surprise. So I know I got to pick a couple items and I'm excited to see because I also forgot what I picked. So let's dive into this together. Now, it's always awkward. What is it with awkward packages? All right, so when you open it up, spring 2019, and they always continue the theme on the inside. This is really pretty with the teal and the peachy pink color. I don't even know what color that is, but it's really pretty. Then you've got the FabFitFun book. And this one actually has Venus Williams on the front of it. And then there's always information on the products that you get as well as the foundation. Then there is a coupon from HelloFresh. Never tried them? Maybe I'll give it a shot. We will see. Then it's always wrapped kind of like a present. So let me unwrap it and we will dive in. So the one thing that I really like about FabFitFun, like when you're looking at the magazine, it also shows you the other items that you could have possibly picked as well. So if you look at the top, it actually breaks it down. So pink is in every box. All members get these items. The tan colors or the peachy colors, which are these ones, all members get the chance to customize these options in their box. And then the blue shades right here, select members. Only select members get to customize these options in their box. And I think I just upgraded to select, so I think I have 2 items in here that I got to choose in addition to the other FabFitFun. Now, like I said, I picked my items a while back, so I have no idea what is gonna be in this box, but let's dive in. Okay, so the first item that I have in here is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. It visibly reduces the look of under eye bags and dark circles, and it's in the pink box, so that it means everyone gets this in their FabFitFun this month. And it retails for $42. That's not too bad. I always like under eye, especially because when I'm working and I'm really tired and I have really big bags, I don't want to be able to see them. I just want them to be hidden. All right, the next item in here, ooh, this is the Trace Stick Matte Color and Shiny Balm Lip Crayon. This is in the shade Namos Pink. Okay, so I guess I chose the mystery item in my box. So the other items that I could have chosen from were the Lavito Aromatic Body Lotion in Mandarin, Orange, and Bergamot, or the Giadazi Copper Plated Measuring Spoons. So it was this right here that I could have chosen from. And I have a lot of body lotion. And I've got like 4 sets of measuring spoons. So I just figured I would go with the mystery beauty item. It could be a palette, body cream, or maybe a trigger ball. But it says it's $20+. I have one of these already in a different shade and I really like them. So I'm gonna show you. So one, the top is like magnetized. So I like that the top is magnetized, but then it's just a really pretty pink shade for like summer. But then the other thing that I like about this is the bottom, there is a lip balm. So it's kind of a 2-in-1 type of thing, but that is the Trace Stick Matte Color and Shiny Balm Lip Crayon. I don't know that that's necessarily my shade. All right, so this is the Daily Concepts Daily Detox Massaging Brush. Ideal for smoothing and softening skin. Stimulate circulation, detox skin. Okay, so this was one of the items that select members got to choose. My other options were the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser or the 11 by Venus Jump Rope. So this detox brush retails for $18. It says your body needs TLC to exfoliate layers of dead skin and stimulate circulation with the brush's natural bristles and massaging nodules. Interesting. Okay, so the next item in here, I have no idea what this is. So it comes in this. Oh, I think these are sunglasses. Oh, I know what I did. Okay, so these are sunglasses. These are the Key Australia sunglasses. These are in, I think these are in the style Vivian. I mean, you can never have too many pairs of sunglasses, especially in the spring. I like these. They're so oversized, like if you go out and you can't see my eyes, like that's crazy. That reflection is awesome. But those are actually really neat. Be sunny, stay shady. Oversized aviators feature a black metal frame, double bridge, and adjustable nose pads for no slip wear. These actually retail for $60. The other items that you could choose were the Key Australia My Girl in Black Smoke, Sunny Life Lovers Picnic Set in Malibu, or the Coors Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. These are super, like, I love aviators, and I don't think I have an all black pair of aviators. Like, I will get a lot of good use out of these. Oh, there's two in here. Oh, I think I bought an additional pair, the other item. So when you go and customize, you're also able to add on extra items at, I think I only paid an additional $10 for this pair of glasses, which these retail for, if they're the My Girl ones, they retail for $55. So I only paid an additional $10 and got the other set of sunglasses. These are the Key Australia sunglasses in the style My Girl. I really, really like these. I like the silver detail on the outside. And it definitely, like, especially with how bright it is in my filming room, like it definitely like blocks out the light. So $10 additional, not too bad, especially because I saved $45 buying the extra pair. Okay, the next item in here, this is the Champagne Charcoal Scrub Exfoliant Champagne Au Charbon. Okay, so this is one of the other items that everybody gets. So formulated with charcoal and dead sea minerals, the Luxe and Gentle Body Scrub removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin. Retails for $24. I always like a really good scrub. So this will go in my shower and I will try it out. So the next item in here is the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder. This is another one of those items that I chose. I don't know why I chose setting powder. I have tons of setting powders. Maybe I just thought I would test out another one. I don't know. Sometimes I have no idea why I do things or pick things. Maybe I was half asleep when I picked this. This packaging is so cute. I like the little stars that are on it. But I can always use another setting powder to try out. So maybe I will have this in my next video trying out new stuff. So this retails for $22. It says it's a lightweight, finely milled powder as the last step in your makeup routine for a crease-free, soft focus finish. I'm always good, like I like crease-free, so we will try it out. We will see. It can go in my box makeup. All right, so this is another item that everybody gets in their box. This is the Way Leave-In Conditioner, which I always use a leave-in conditioner every single morning because especially like in the heat and dryness, like my hair needs it. So this retails for $26. It is a multitasking leave-in conditioner, works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties and enhanced heat protection. Okay, I've used Way a couple different times, a couple different products. I have a wave spray that I got, but I don't wear my hair wavy. Like, I hate the waves in my hair because it just gets ridiculous. But this I will definitely try out. I don't think I've ever tried the leave-in conditioner though. I know I've done the, oh, I had the hair mask in my shower right now. And then the last item in here, and everyone got to choose between this and some other things. Okay, so Deluxe. This is the Demi backpack. It's a canvas backpack, features adjustable straps, top handle, and a post closure, making it the perfect bag for all your spring travels. Retails for $75. The other options I had were Show Me Your Mumu Brie robe. I don't need a robe. I've got a robe that I don't wear. And then a Unplugged Meditation Aromatherapy diffuser. I already have a diffuser on my bedside table. I put lavender oil in it, and when I go to sleep, it just like knocks me out just like that. So I can always use a new backpack. I do like backpacks during like spring and summer just because it's easier to like throw your sunscreen in there, your everything else that your sunglasses, whatever you're taking with you on your travels, where you're not trying to like carry a huge tote. I will put it in a backpack, just grab this, and I'm out the door. But this is super cute. Oh, and now, oh, okay. So I was like, it doesn't cinch close. Like, I have a backpack that has a drawstring on it, but the sides have snaps. So you can make it smaller or bigger based off of what you need. That's nice. And then there's a little pocket right here so I can put my small wallet or whatever, so I don't have to like dig all the way down in here. But that's super cute. And kind of stylish with the faux leather details on it. But not too bad, not too bad. So like I said earlier in the video, FabFitFun is a quarterly box. Now, for that quarterly box, you pay $49.99 and you get to choose some of your items. Some items you don't get to choose, but the 3 that they sent me, I'm actually really interested in using because I do like the products from Way. I do like using gels underneath my eyes to kind of depuff, debag my under eye area. I always like a good body scrub just to get that dead skin, or if you have those bumps that you get, like I get mine on the back of my legs or the back of my arms. I use that and I don't have any issues after that. Those items, like, it's stuff that I would use. Now for this box, I did just add up all the items in it. Everything in this box totaled $287. Now I did not even include the pair of sunglasses that I paid extra for. So with that pair of sunglasses, it was $342. And if I paid $49.99 for this box plus that $10, I really only paid $60 and I got $342 worth of products. For me, that's a huge steal, especially because they weren't trial size. They were full-size products. There's a great backpack for spring. And there's a lot of other good products in here that I like, especially these sunglasses. Like, come on, they're so cute. Like, I'm just gonna close my video wearing my sunglasses. But if you're interested in getting a FabFitFun subscription for yourself, I'll put that information down below. It's not an affiliate link. I am not sponsored. I buy this myself. So the link that I put down there, it just allows you to sign up saying, hey, I got, recommended by Ashley Chan. So it's up to you if you want to use that link or if you just want to put in the website yourself. But if you're interested in trying out, I highly recommend it. I haven't been disappointed and I've been getting them for the past year. So go ahead, check it out. And that's it for this video, you guys. That is everything that I got in my spring FabFitFun box. And I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell icon for notifications of new videos, which come out 3 times a week. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you like this video, you like this content, and I will continue to put out these FabFitFun unboxings or the other unboxings that I do. And also, if you like what's going on with my face as far as my makeup, I did do this video earlier on today, so keep an eye out for that. I'll probably post it after this box because I kind of want to get the unboxing out first. So again, thank you for watching, and until next time, you guys, bye, and I'll see you in my next video.